So what we have here is our service module, our 49,000 litre service module, which has 700 litre tanks. The standard that they come in is coolant, hydraulic oil, transmission oil, gear oil, engine oil, and waste oil. We can change those out as per customers' requirements. We've got in the back here 7 individual poly tanks, 700 litres, that also have an internal bladder. And then the steel body is also bunded in the floor, so yeah. And then this one's paired with our self-bunded steel tank, 6,000 litres of diesel with a compartment for all the necessary pumps and reels. On this build, we've got the 49,000 litre service module paired with the 6,000 litre diesel module. We've got the Curtis compressor, the Toolbox, and 205 litres of grease. This particular truck has both high output delivery and high pressure delivery. One's more volume, one's more pressure. So the standard arrangement is to come with just high pressure grease, which is more like your service grease, pushing it into bearings and stuff. This customer's opted to also have the high volume grease, which is the second pump in the grease drum. This delivers much higher volume for all sorts of things, big equipment, servicing slides and joints and all sorts. So these trucks are used for field service of all sorts of plant items and refueling, obviously. You've got all your service fluids, diesel, so that you can get any piece of machinery, either keep it in good working order or get it up and running out in the field. This truck also has a ROPS, which is a Rollover Protection System, which is generally a requirement of lots of mine sites and some work sites.